Good morning students. The next one we are going to discuss with the topic nephrons. Okay. So the nephrons is a functional unit of the kidney because all the function is carried in by the nephron. That's why it is called as the functional unit of the kidney. The nephron is also called as the uriniferous tubules or seminiferous tubules. Sometimes they will ask the question, define seminiferous tubule, what is the function of the seminiferous tubules or uriniferous tubules, that is why I am giving that. So these uriniferous tubules, it consisting of the Bowman's capsule, glomerulus and then nephric tubule, last one is the collecting duct. So this is the structure of the nephron. The first one is the proximal part is covered by the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is it is situated on the proximal part of the nephron. Okay, it is the double-walled cup-shaped structure. Then outer concavity filled with the blood capillaries. So these blood capillaries, it is a knot-like structure. You can see in the picture, the knot-like structure is called as the blood capillaries, and then these blood capillaries called as the glomerulus. These knot-like blood capillaries called as the glomerulus. Okay, glomerulus and artery, you can see that the two arteries are connected in the glomerulus or Bowman's capsule. So then artery is attached to the one end of the glomerulus. So these arteries main function, this artery one side is called as the afferent vessel, and then the artery which is enters to the glomerulus is called as the afferent vessel, and then it removes from the glomerulus, that is called as the efferent vessel. So what is the main function of this one? It filters the blood passing through it. One end of the artery is attached, or it is brings the blood containing the waste material. Example, we know that the blood containing the urea and then uric acid, ammonia, it is taken by one artery or afferent vessel, and then the next one, the filter is happening in the Bowman's capsule, and then the function of Bowman's capsule is to filter the blood passing through it. Okay. Then next one is the nephric tubule. The nephric tubule contains the three major regions. One is the PCT, that means proximal convoluted tubule. You can see in the picture, proximal convoluted tubule, it is called as the PCT, and then Henle loop, and then last one is the distal convoluted tubule. So first one, proximal convoluted tubule, it is the region of nephric tubule, and then it is a highly coiled structure, and then the reabsorption, selective reabsorption happens in the proximal convoluted tubule, and then Henle's loop or loop of Henle, it is U-shaped loop, and then it is discovered by the Henle, that is why it is called as the Henle's loop. Okay. Then last one is the DCT, distal convoluted tubule. It is a convoluted structure, and then it is opens into the collecting duct. Okay. Collecting duct, next one is the collecting duct. What is the main function of the collecting duct? It drains the urine collected from the nephrons into the ureter, which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. Okay. So this is the overall structure of the nephron. Thank you.